Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. I'm so glad you're here today because we're diving into something that's going to take care of your lips through the harshest of weather. If you're like me, you know how painful chapped lips can be, especially in colder months. Today, we're talking about a classic, Blistex Lip Medex, 0.25 ounce, 3 count. This one is known for its cooling relief, but does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. Blistex Lip Medex is a medicated lip balm designed to provide immediate relief for dry, sore, and cracked lips. It features a cooling action that helps soothe burning and itching sensations. If you've ever battled those painful, weather-beaten lips, you'll know how much relief this kind of formula promises. The 3-count pack ensures you're always prepared, with one for your purse, car, and bedside table. As for the formula, it's packed with a blend of medicated ingredients aimed at hydrating and protecting your lips. The balm works to seal in moisture, keeping your lips soft and smooth. It's especially handy during winter, acting as a barrier against the drying effects of wind and cold. So, is it a miracle worker for your lips? Let's break it down. Personally, incorporating this into my routine was a breeze. It glides on smoothly without feeling greasy, which is a huge plus when you're applying something so often throughout the day. The immediate cooling effect is real. It gives your lips a refreshing burst of comfort. It's not an overwhelming sensation, but just enough to make you feel like your lips are being cared for. I used it in the mornings, before bed, and throughout the day when I felt that slight dryness creeping in. It's soothing, and you can feel the hydration almost instantly. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this product delivers on its promise of cooling relief. It's also incredibly effective at sealing in moisture, which is perfect if you live in a place where wind and cold are constant threats to your lips' comfort. The packaging is convenient, small enough to throw into any bag, and the fact that you get a 3-count pack is a great deal for the price. On the flip side, the scent might be a bit much for some people. It's not overpowering, but there's a noticeable menthol-like fragrance due to the cooling action. Personally, I don't mind it, but if you're sensitive to scents, you might want to test it first. Another thing to note is that the texture is a little thicker compared to some other balms. While it's not sticky, it does have a slight waxy feel, which some might find a bit heavy. When it comes to value for money, Blistex Lip Medex holds up. For the price, you're getting a lip balm that truly works in extreme conditions, whether it's cold, dry air, or the occasional lip irritation. Plus, the 3-count pack means you're always prepared, which makes the price even more justifiable. In terms of alternatives, you might find some balms that offer a similar cooling sensation, like Burt's Bees Medicated Lip Balm. While that's a popular option, it doesn't offer quite the same level of immediate relief as Blistex does, especially when it comes to soothing the burning or itching sensation. If you're looking for something that works just as well, but at a lower price point, there are cheaper options, but Blistex remains a strong contender for its performance. As for build quality, the lip balm itself is solid. The packaging is simple but functional, and it's easy to apply without making a mess. The cap stays on tight, so you won't have to worry about it opening in your bag. Now, before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Have you tried Blistex Lip Medex? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And if this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so other beauty lovers can find us. In conclusion, Blistex Lip Medex is a reliable, effective solution for chapped lips, offering soothing relief and excellent moisture retention. Its cooling action really helps make it stand out from other balms, and while the scent and texture may not be for everyone, its performance in extreme weather conditions makes it a must-have for the colder months. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.